Okay, just only text is displaying. Suppose you want to apply just some styles, background color, okay, border colors. So just some look and feel. So how we can apply using CSS? We can apply the CSS just like a background color, text color, border colors. Here we can take style, style tag, and for ID selector use as symbol. Div1 is the ID for development. So we mention ID attribute in development div1. So background color is some blue color, and div width 200 pixel or 300 pixel, and height 300 pixel. And here we are applying rounded corners. So for this rounded corners, use border radius property. Border radius property, just 25 pixel. Okay, save this and refresh this page. So here background color is blue, and border radius is 25 pixel. So rounded corners is applied using border radius property. So this is the our CSS class. Okay, background color blue, width, div width, and height, border radius. If you want to apply increase the border radius, you can increase up to 100 pixels. Okay, for 100 pixel rounded corners like this, just we can use just 20 pixel. And for this content and development, just give the space using padding. 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 10 pixel, and 10 pixel. So this 10 pixels padding is space between development and content. Okay, this 10 pixel is first 10 pixel is top side space, and second 10 pixel right side, and next 10 pixel bottom, and last 10 pixel left side padding space. Okay, content space between content and development. And we can apply text color using color property. Okay, triple F is white color. So using background color, we can apply border radius like this. So copy these styles and paste here. In browser, we can write the CSS properties like this and copy and paste in our original document. After you test the CSS properties, and suppose one more development is there. and same text, same content. And for this div id, div2 is the identification name of div. Here for first div we are applying background color border radius property. So for this div2 border color radius property, border radius, using border color. Here we are using background color for this div2 element border color. Write CSS properties for div2 element using id selector. Using border property we can apply the border color and border style and border width also. Border width is 2 pixel and solid style, and the border color is same, you can use blue color. And next border radius property, border radius is 20 pixel or 25 pixel, so you can use up to 100 pixel. And div height and width, height same, just 200 pixel, and width 200 pixels. And next padding, we can copy these two styles. Save this form and refresh. So here border color blue color and the rounded corners is 20 pixel, but text color is white, so we need to apply different color for text, or we can apply background color for div element. Just use 000 to black color, text color back black color. Okay, see div2 element border color is blue color, 2 pixel and solid border, and border radius 20 pixel, height 200 and padding space between content and div element, and the text color is black color. So this is the border radius using border color property. And one more thing, we can apply background image also radius property. We can use another div element and div3, copy these same styles, background image, URL of, you can place the image. We have images folder, in image folder 2 images is there, so just use penguins image, image folder, penguins.jpg, and div is div id div3. So save this and refresh. Here penguins border is applied for div element. If you increase the div width, then div background image is displayed like this, and the border radius is 20 pixel, and we can rearrange border radius property. So here we can apply border radius property for three different styles: background color, border color, and background image. So these are the three types we can apply border radius property. You can use margin property. Suppose you need a gap between box, so just use margin property. Okay, margin, use 10 pixel gap. For this two also same, and here for this also same. Okay, see this side by side developments is applied here. So use float left property for each div. Okay, div 1 also float left, and div 2 also float left, and div 3 also float left. So this applied side by side div elements. Okay, and gap also is there, 10 pixel gap, okay, for each div. Save the copy this same styles and apply, modify in our original document. Using inspect element we can test our page. Okay, so these are the side by side div elements. And next, suppose next concept is shadows. Suppose if you want to apply shadow for this particular div element, okay, how can apply? Use box shadow property. Okay, use box shadow property to apply some shadow for div elements. Okay, we can apply shadows for div element or paragraph or span for text box. For any control, for any element we can apply box shadow. uh, Using text shadow property we can apply shadow for text also. box shadow, use it to apply shadow for div element or any element. Text shadow property, use it for apply shadow for any text. So here use box shadow property for first div element. Use box shadow property and 10 pixel and 10 pixel and gray color shadow. Save this and refresh. So see here, shadow is applied using box shadow property. Okay, div element box shadow property. So top, bottom and right red pixel and gray color shadow. Suppose here I have one paragraph. I want to apply shadow for text. Use text shadow property. Here paragraph ID is P1. Using ID selector P1. Text color is like red color and paragraph same like text shadow 1 pixel text shadow and 1 pixel and 2 pixel and black. Okay, save this, refresh. So here see, for paragraph also, paragraph text shadow is applied. Okay, you can see here text shadow also applied using text shadow property. So this is the text shadow property. Okay, so use this 10 pixel 10 pixel 10 pixel and gray color. So box shadow and for text shadow use 1 pixel and 2 pixel and black color shadow. So these are the shadow styles. We can apply div shadow or text shadow. Div is the container. We can place anything in the container. And one more CSS3 concept is border image property. Border image. So using border image property, using this property, we can apply image as border. Okay, border image property allows you to specify an image to be border around an element. So for this example, already one example is there, explained previous classes. Border image. So see this. So this is the original image. Okay, so I want to apply this image for div element. Okay, like a border. Use CSS properties like border image property. Okay, border image property and URL border.png and 30 stretch and border 10 pixel solid transparent. In the transparent place, border image is display and padding 15 pixel, and this is for this WebKit border image supported for Safari browser, and this is for Opera and Chrome. So here one paragraph is there. Okay, for this paragraph ID, border image ID, and here some content is there in paragraph. Based on ID selector, border 10 pixel solid transparent and padding, and these are supported for Safari and Opera, and background border image is the URL of image path. Okay, border image path. If you run this example, so this is the original image. So this original image applied to border for this paragraph. Okay, this is the paragraph and border and padding and border image URL of this is the original image. And next topic is pagination. Suppose pagination, suppose you have lots of pages in your website, you can use uh, paginations for display the number of images. For example, if you search anything in Google like HTML, so here results is displayed here, and last Google pagination is displayed. So number of pages is there in search: first page, second page, third page, fourth page, sixth, okay, up to 10, and you can go to last page also. Okay, or we can move to the first previous page using previous and next pages, or we can go to the individual pages also. So how you can implement this pagination using CSS. Suppose one example development like HTML form with pagination. Doc type HTML, HTML form, and header, and body. Here we are applying pagination, we are implementing pagination in CSS. So use unordered list, okay, unordered list to get the pagination like 1 2 3 4 5 6 UL and LI. Use anchor tag and href equal to empty. Here 1 2 3 4 5 and one more 6. Save this form, pagination.html. If you run this example, pagination, so only 1 2 3.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to say.
mm, we need to remove this tag. Okay, 1 2 3 and for 4 5 6 pages is there. We want to get pages pagination like this. So use CSS style element. First of all, el dot pagination. So pagination is the class name for another list. Class equal to pagination. Display inline block. Display inline block and padding 0 and margin also 0. So if you run this form, so list style is there is no list style, and display inline block and one next CSS class is el dot pagination for a list element. Display inline. for this CSS, run this form. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 pages is there. And next to CSS, el dot pagination, el dot pagination, and li element. Yeah, we have anchor tag in li element. No, and next text color is black, and float left.
Sir, I have one question. Hello.
Hello.
I have one question.
Hmm.
World of pagination, we have display inline block. We are uh, changing again, right? Using it.
Using
Like there are world of pagination without a line with a line. Can you explain what both are doing? Like display inline block.
display
Is it
inline block.
doing? Is it working or it is changing again? Yeah.
Display inline block. Huh?
Yeah.
This is changing.
This is changing to this is changing to uh, just display inline, right?
Hmm.
So why we wanted to use it again?
Actually, we don't need a display inline block, but here
Okay. Okay.
for li element we need display
Okay.
inline. Okay, without
Okay.
display inline,
Hmm.
we will get like this.
Okay. Yeah,
Hmm.
I got it.
And next, text decoration. Text decoration is none. And next, padding 8 pixel and 10 pixel. Run this. So pagination is 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. And one more CSS is ul pagination, and li element. In li element we have a with the class active. Background color is mm, light gray, and color is white color. Save this.
Sir,
Hello.
A dot active means I didn't get it. A dot active.
For active links,
Which one is active? How soon?
if you here in
Hmm.
Google search page, 4 is the
Okay.
active page. Okay. For
Okay.
remaining are links, but
Hmm.
this is only
Okay.
text.
Okay.
Okay, this is the
Okay.
active page.
Okay.
So like this we can apply the
Okay.
active.
Okay.
So here pagination is 1 2 3 4, and where when you hover mouse hover on particular page, background color and text color also changed. And you can use uh, previous link. Previous and next. Okay, next and previous. So like this, number of pagination styles available if you search in Google. Okay, CSS pagination examples. So see this example. Okay, page 1 of 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and next. And this is one more style. So this is one more style. So like this we can implement number of styles for pagination in Bootstrap. Also we have good pagination. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this, and previous and next. Okay, so paginations is like this. We have number of pagination styles. So do one example for today, pagination. And one more example is implement border radius property, and box shadow, text shadow also, and pagination. These two are our today tasks. In CSS we have one more concept is there. We can write CSS styles in three different ways. Okay, first one is external styles, and internal styles, and inline styles. Suppose border rounded corners is there. So this is the our HTML form. In HTML form we have written CSS properties in head section. So this is called internal style sheets. If you write the CSS classes in external file, that is called external style sheets. Using external style sheets we can apply that. You can apply for uh, multiple pages, and when and reusable. We can reuse the code also in CSS. If you write in CS external file, just create the CSS styles in HTML form in that CSS file. We don't use style element in external files. Just write CSS styles using ID selector or class selector or element selector, and save this form with .css extension my styles.css. Okay, if you save this file my styles, the style type document is cascading style sheet document, and use that, include that CSS style using link and href. In href give the path CSS file path my styles dot css, and relation is equal to style sheet. Okay, save this and run this form. So same styles are applied here. Just we applied CSS style path, but we have CSS classes in external file. So from external files apply the CSS styles for all div elements and paragraph. So this is external styles, and inline styles is, suppose one more paragraph is there. Here I want to apply background color and text color for this paragraph. Use style attribute. Okay, background color is light gray color, and text color is 00, and here sample text. So save this and refresh. So here paragraph text is a black color and the background is light gray color. So these are the inline styles written in using style attribute. Okay, background color light gray and color is black color, text color. So these are called inline styles. Internal styles means write CSS styles in head section or body section. Use style element and ID selector like P1 and apply different CSS properties here. Okay, we can use CSS in head section or body section also. Anywhere we can place, but in real time machine should write CSS styles in external file only. Don't write styles in inline styles or internal styles. In real time machine should need to write styles in external files only. That is the professional way to develop any website. Suppose if you want to, the external styles is feature is You can reuse the code also, and we can apply multiple pages. Okay, these are the today concepts, and your task is box shadow, text shadow, and border radius property using background color, border color, and background image. Okay, and pagination. Okay, these three are your tasks.